I'm back! Hey you guys, it's your girl Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I'm doing really good actually. And I'm sure you're noticing that something is different. Yes, that would be my hair. I do not have blonde hair anymore. So we'll talk about that, but that is not what today's video is going to be about. Sorry, excuse my laundry in the back. Yes, I have to do laundry today like a normal person, you know. I have 3 kids to take care of, so I have lots of laundry. If nobody ever told you, kids have lots of laundry. Anyway, let me go ahead and do my spiel, because you know, if it's your first time here, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below? I would greatly appreciate it. If it's not your first time here, and you know if it's not, because you know you've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of my videos. If you keep watching all my videos, like, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? You know where it is, so go ahead. Hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. Today's video, I'm hoping, is just going to be kind of short and quick and fun. I have to do a couple things to my plants this morning, so I thought, oh, sorry, it's early. I know I look crazy. I still need to take a shower today, but I wanted to, you know, work on my plants because I'm going to get dirty and stuff before I take my shower, so good morning. I ate breakfast, had my vitamin, worked out, so it's been a good morning, and now I need to tend to my plants. So I thought it would be a good time to give you guys a plant tour. So that's what we're going to do this morning. You ready? Let's flip you around. All right, so kind of like excuse my little mess I got going on in the background over there. That's all my YouTube giveaway stuff. So like I said, if you want to be entered into my makeup giveaways, and that top box right there is going to be a special giveaway. But if you want to be entered into my giveaways, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. That's literally all you have to do. If you're already subscribed, then you're always going to be entered into my future giveaways. So let's start with this plant right here. This is one of my favorite, if not favorite, plants. Let me see if it has a name, because it really just says like tropical foliage on it. It doesn't say. It says I can look it up though. But this is a tropical foliage plant. Tropical foliage plants are really good for your house. So that is a lot of what I have in my house. They're growing new things on them. It's getting so long. I love these. It kind of reminds me of a spider plant. I'm pretty sure that's not what this is. And I don't think it's an ivy plant either. Like that needs to be trimmed off, y'all. So I really like this plant. This plant is doing really good, although I do think I need to repot it because I was seeing some of its roots come up. Yeah, like right there with that one. Can you see that? It needs to be repotted. These are the bottled waters that I have for my plants because I've just read some things online. Listen, I'm not a plant expert, okay? Not a plant expert by any means. But I have read online that if you give them water from the tap, it has too much fluoride in it and it could kill them. So I have been doing that. So I also don't know what this plant is. It's just really cute. It was a self-watering plant I got from Kroger. So you just pop this ball open and you can put the water inside. But this thing also looks like it needs to be repotted. I did put a little more soil in here. But I need to clip off some of these dead leaves. And this is also happening to my peace lily. If anybody has any suggestions, that'd be great. I don't know why this is happening. My flowers and stems and stuff leaves and flowers keep turning brown. And I thought maybe it was because of the vent that was over here, but it's not. So I'm not sure why they keep doing that. Here's my little cactus. And there's my BFF Taylor. This one's not real, but it's just a little cute succulent. And then we come back over here. This is a little hummingbird feeder that I got, but I haven't put it outside yet. And then this is also just a little fake plant, but it's just cute, you know, right there with my stuff. So I like it. This is my aloe plant. So when the outsides of these start to die, I will pull them off and harvest the aloe in them. And I like it. It says aloha. This is a little succulent I have. See you guys, see how it's turning brown? I don't know why that's happening, but my bromelaid looks really good. This is also another tropical plant. Last I checked, she had some water in her still. Yeah, you see that water in there in the stem? But she's looking pretty good. She's pretty watered. That one's pretty watered too. Now look at my peace lily, y'all. I don't know what to do about this. Like, why is this happening? Why is this happening? I'm going to take it outside to trim it and maybe give it some light. I don't know. But look at all the new growths it has on it. Can you see that? Like that one right there. And then that new leaf. Them right there. So it is growing new ones, but I don't know why these leaves are turning yellow and brown. And then the flowers are turning brown, which I don't think they'll bloom again. I'm pretty sure that's right. They don't bloom again. So I do need to take care of those. So let me pull them outside and we'll sit on the front porch and I'll show you my outside plants. Okay, so I brought those two outside so I can kind of prune them. But first I'm going to show you guys my other plants. This is another tropical foliage plant. Oh, I didn't know this one bloomed. It's getting blooms, you guys. What is this one called? John Creech. So this is supposed to be a succulent tropical plant. I believe it's a succulent. Yes, it is. Cacti succulent perennial. I do need to repot that one. This is also a succulent. It has a little one here that's dying in the front, but other than that, doing pretty good. I come out here every morning and there's like this web on it. I don't know what that's from, but something keeps putting a web all up on my succulent. And then I have my fairy garden. Isn't that so cute? So these are doing pretty good. That one especially looks like it's growing another one right here. And then that one's doing really good. Look at how popped up that one is. That one looks really good. And the fairy, and she's so cute. I'm so proud of my fairy garden. The kids helped me do the little river right here with the rocks. So those look good, except for that one. Obviously, that one's dying, but this one looks really good. That one looks really good. That one looks really good. That one looks okay. It does have a piece that's dying right there. Got our wishing well, and it's so cute. I'm so proud of my fairy garden. Then we come over here, and I got my rosemary, which is doing really, really well. Really happy about the rosemary. This is my petunia. Petunia has been through so much. Like, I came home from vacation, and the squirrels had dug petunia up out of the pot, trying to eat it. I'm like, what's going on? But she's doing pretty good. Then I come over here, and this was carrots that I was trying to grow. They did sprout, but then I don't know if it got too hot and they died. But you can kind of see the remnants of them still. But they did sprout, and now they're gone. This is my, oh my god, Petunia and, oh my god, I can't remember her name. Oh, I'm blanking. Oh, I'll have to ask my mom. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. I thought it was like a bee or something. Okay. I'll have to ask my mom because she gave me Petunia and this plant. I'm pretty sure this is not the Petunia. I'm pretty sure that is the Petunia. And this is called something else with a P. I know it is, but I can't remember. If I remember, I'll insert the name somewhere on the screen. And this one, I actually don't know what this is called. Oh, Calancho. This is another tropical plant. This one, it's kind of up and down. Like, its blooms would look really good, but as you can see, it does look a little brown and dry in places. So I'm not sure if sometimes it's just getting too much sun. But for the most part, it's doing pretty well. I wish you guys would see this on a better day. This looks like something has been eating my plant. I know you see all the holes in it. So I'm going to have to ask my mom about that one. Or if you have any suggestions, please drop them below. You know, I love when you guys leave comments. But this one was looking really, really good before I went on vacation. It was fully bloomed. It just looked amazing. But this plant is actually really resilient. It does really well. So that is all of the plants that I have. So let's go ahead and we are going to prune these. So now I've got to figure out where I'm going to cut these at. Listen, let's start with the small one because it does look a lot easier. Then let me show you where I cut on my plants. So on the peace lily, hold on, yeah, okay. I was like, I can't see, so let me turn it around. Okay. So I cut right here. I can barely see, there you go. So this is where a new sprout is going to grow. So you don't want to cut below there. Like, I know most plants you're supposed to cut to the base, but I know a new sprout will grow out of that. Just like this here. You see this stem? Hold on. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Right there. Right there. So, I think she's looking pretty good. I got most of the dead ones off. I think I'm going to leave this. I've never heard of cutting into the leaf, but if you can do that, comment down below and let me know. Got a big gush of wind. And that's my brother's wind chime over there. We got that from his memorial ceremony when he died. I'm not sure who got us that. I think my Aunt Angie may have got us that. But my mom let me take it home to put in my quote-unquote garden, my deck garden that I have going on. So, I guess I'm going to take these plants back inside, but that's all I really have for you guys today. I just wanted to come on here, show my face, even though I'm a little broken out, looking a little crazy, ain't showered yet, but that's okay. Because that's what I do in the morning, come out here, get some sun, some fresh air, tend to my plants. They do need to be watered, so I need to water them. So, I guess I'm going to do that, and I'm going to record some more videos today, so I'll see you guys later, but for you, it'll be, I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Later.